Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be showing you how to install to popular Motorola apps Motorola Gallery and Motorola Handwriting Calculator on any non-rooted Android phone. These apps offer unique features and can enhance your overall smartphone experience. Before we dive into the installation process, I want to remind you that the download links for both APK files are available in the video description. For this tutorial, I'll be using my Google Pixel 6 running Android 15 QPR1 Beta 2. You can follow the same steps on any non-rooted Android device. The first thing we need to do is enable unknown sources on our device. This setting allows us to install apps from sources other than the Google Play Store. Now, let's download the app files for Motorola Gallery and Motorola Handwriting Calculator. Open your web browser and go to the download links provided in the video description. Tap on the download buttons for each APK file. Once the app files are downloaded, locate the downloaded APK file. Tap on the file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After successful installation, let's test both apps to ensure they're working properly. Open Motorola Gallery and explore its features, such as photo editing, albums, and more. If you encounter any issues during the installation process, make sure you're downloading the correct APK files compatible with your Android version. If the apps don't work as expected, try uninstalling and reinstalling them. That's it, you've successfully installed Motorola Gallery and Motorola Handwriting Calculator on your non-rooted Android phone. Enjoy the unique features and functionality these apps offer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.